Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. As you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys
how I made these beautiful creative looking Easter sacks / baskets. Watch till the end to see how I made them.
Today's video is going to be Easter special. So for those of you who do celebrate Easter, happy Easter to you guys. And I do really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. And did I mention they were in a budget? So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
To complete this DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is of course a felt fabric, a thread and also a needle, color of your own choice, a cotton ball, pencil, scissors, and of course some Easter egg chocolates. To get started, start by first grabbing a piece of felt fabric, then fold it in half and draw out the outline of a bunny. Then once that's complete, cut it out so that now you have two felt fabric shaped up bunnies. And this is how it's gonna look like. Once that's complete, then grab a thread that matches with your felt fabric and get a needle. And grab a piece of thread at least 35 inches and put it through the hole of the needle. And make sure to double thread the needle. Pull the thread through the needle, making both ends equal in length. Next, once you reach till the end of the thread, form into a knot. I usually do a double knot just in case. Once that's done, now I'm going to put the needle through the fabric, making sure it's going through both the cutouts. And then just continue going through the back and then the front. Once that's complete, this is how it's going to look like. And then next what I'm going to do is, I'm going to flip over the bunny, and then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a little hole just like that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the Easter egg chocolates and I'm just going to start storing them inside. Once that's been stored, this is how it's going to look like, and then just to cover up the little pocket, I'm going to put in a cotton ball just to make it look like it's a little tail, and I'm just going to sew that up, and then this is how it looks like once it's all nicely sewed. And pretty much just to close the little pocket, I'm going to tuck in the little cotton ball like this so that the chocolates don't fall out. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Here is the finished look. And if you want to take out a chocolate, simply just flip it over, remove the cotton ball, and just grab it from the little pocket there. And that's it. This is definitely a must-try DIY project. To make this next DIY project, what you're going to need is some treat sacks, strings, berry stem and picks, Easter egg chocolates, plus candies. Start off with grabbing a sack and then also a piece of string, and then next just start storing in your favorite chocolates or candies inside. Once it's filled up, next tie it up with the string, and then to decorate it, add in the berry stem and picks. And here is the finished look. To get started, the first thing you're going to need is of course a basket skirt, Easter plastic eggs, Easter egg chocolates, Kringle paper, transparent packaging wrap, and some curly bows. First, start off with grabbing the basket. Next, add on the basket skirt, then add a sheet of transparent wrapping paper. I went with a hot pink colored transparent paper, but if you want, you can go with whichever color you prefer. Add some crinkled paper inside the basket, just like that. Next, what I'm going to do is, inside of each of these plastic eggs, I'm going to add in some chocolates. I'm going to put at least 2 or 3 chocolates inside of each of them, just like that. One down and more to go. And then once that's done, I'm going to start adding in the eggs inside the basket. Once the eggs have been placed inside the basket, next I'm going to add on some decorative pieces, like I'm going to be adding some curly bows on the sides of the basket just to kind of decorate the basket, of course. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another curly bow. It's going to be in a color pink, and I'm just going to put it on top of the basket and this is how it looks like, you guys. This is just an additional basket. It's pretty much the same as the previous basket, including the supplies and the steps which were used to create this beautiful basket. But instead, this time I added the 2 sacks that I had made, including the bunny chocolate holder. I also included those into the basket. And what I pretty much did was I took out the curly ribbons and I added the satin pink ribbon at the top with some roses and a cute stuffed bunny. Also, I added some more candies.
That is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. For all my video updates, you guys can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below. And also, you guys can also follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is also _Amanpreetmatharu.
Today's video shout out goes to Raman. Shout out to you.
And also, if you want to get a video shout out, all you have to do is give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you'll be instantly entered in to get a video shout out for my next video. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching today's video. Also, if you want to try doing these DIY projects yourself, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, which is _Amanpreetmatharu. And I would love to see the projects that you guys made. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And also, happy Easter to you and your family. And bye.